A brave explorer walks through the forest. Oh, a sign! It says, "Nature Games begin." Let's see what happens next.
We're starting soon.
Run, rabbit, run! And yes, the race is won! Wait a minute, where did the explorer's hat go? Oh, the explorer found his hat! Tiny ants were carrying it away. Imagine with their tiny bodies they can lift a giant hat. A chameleon behind him! The child turns, whoop, it changes color. That's its superpower. Our explorer walks quietly, looking a bit down. But then, wow, a giant elephant. Gently, it shows him the way. Elephants are famous for their memory. They never forget the right path. The explorer drinks a sip from the lake, and his elephant friend guides him through the forest's hidden places. Elephants make wonderful guides for their friends. Our explorer keeps writing, and suddenly it's night. Oh no! How will I get home? Oh, it's a bat. The bat says, "Don't worry, I'll take you home." Our explorer smiles. Bats see in the dark like magic. As the bat flies into the sky, our explorer waves in front of his home. Just then, a sparkle in the water.
Wow.
It's a magical jellyfish that makes its own light. He smiled and thought of all the animals he had seen. Every animal has its own special superpower. Who knows? Maybe yours is waiting to be discovered. What could yours be?